Are the Jordan 5 Grapes really worth the hype, guys? We're gonna get into it immediately. We're gonna touch this subject real quick, and there's gonna be some cold hard truths about it. So you already know, we ain't got time to waste. Roll my intro and let's get to it. The question is, are they really worth the hype, guys? Well, if you start looking at this in a point of view, and we're going to be realistic about this, let's cut around, guys. Let's not beat around the bush over here, and let's be realistic. Let's talk cordially over here so the butt hurts won't come out of the woodworks. Guys, what are the Jordan 5 Grapes without the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air? Go answer me that right there. They are absolutely nothing. Hype all the way. Let's be realistic about it. What has happened to the Jordan 5s in the last 5 to 10 years? Where have they been? Have they been a massive success? Just look at the Khaled's. They bricked upon bricks, and that was a great collaboration. All the colorways that have come out that are a lot nicer colorways than the Grapes have bricked. It's the biggest reality in the world. But just because Will Smith wore it in a show that technically has nothing to do with MJ whatsoever, it was just another colorway, that one gets the whole massive hype. We're going to get to the quality in just a little bit, guys, and I'm going to tell you my honest opinion about it. But I'm going to talk to you right now as the hype. The shoe, it's really no big deal whatsoever. I'm not saying it's a disgusting shoe or it's ugly or it's trash. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the realistic point of view of this shoe, that this sneaker was nothing. So you put this into a perspective. The Grapes, the Jordan 5 Grapes, they get all the hype. Why isn't all the shoes that he wore in that video or in that show have the hype? How come they don't get it? How come nobody's going crazy when he wore the Columbias? They bricked. That's a way nicer looking sneaker than the Grape. I'm talking about legendary, Jordan worn. But those bricked. How come they don't go nuts for the 7? How come they don't do it? No, it's just for the Grapes of Will Smith. Me personally, I don't even care about Will Smith whatsoever. I never liked Will Smith, and as a matter of fact, he lost my whole respect from the moment he did that to Chris Rock. No, man, especially when a female has done what he has done to him. Hey, to each his own. I'm not gonna touch that little button right there. But there's plenty of those out in the world. That's just the way it works, guys. So when it comes to that sneaker, just knowing that it represents this dude in any type of way, I can't do it myself. I don't like Will Smith. I don't like anything that has to do with Will Smith. He's just not my cup of tea whatsoever, and to each his own. The same way that a lot of people see my videos and they're like me. I could care less. So in reality, my opinion when it comes to that shouldn't matter to you unless you think the exact same way about him. But the point of this is not Will Smith. It's that actual shoe, that it was just another regular colorway, that if it would have been anything else, and that shoe would have came out and Will Smith never wore it, never came out in Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, they would even retro that shoe. But of course, guys, everybody falls for the trap and everybody falls for the cash grab. They're marketing geniuses. What can I say? You gotta tip the hat to Nike and Jordan and these companies, but especially Nike and Jordan, that are the masterminds. Now, when it comes to the actual shoe, yes, I did hold them in my hand. I went and I bought another pair that I actually had to go pick up. And I'm going to say something about it. It is a very good quality shoe. Not going to lie about it. Very good quality, very well made. Nothing to talk about whatsoever when it comes to that shoe. It's a great quality shoe. Me personally, if it had nothing to do with Will Smith, I would have to say Yeah, I like the colorway. Little plain if you start looking at the point of view. It's just a lot of white there, with a little bit of purple with the teal, and it is what it is, guys. It's really no big deal. It's actually a very plain shoe. It's not like the fire red that was Jordan worn, and it was all, it really deserves that type of hype that I'm not expecting those shoes to, be that easy to cop, but it is what it is. But in reality, guys, it's just another cash grab when it comes to my mind. And not just mine, to a lot of people also. I've spoken to a lot of my friends about it. I've spoken to people that have been in this game for many, many years, and I've spoken to people that have just started. And they even agree. So if you got the old heads actually agreeing with something, and you got people that have just started right now agreeing with that too, hey, it is what it is, man. It's just a hype. To me, it's just another cash grab. But now the shoe itself, yes, if you really like that colorway, separate the whole Will Smith thing. If you really like the colorway, you really like the shoe, it's one hell of a purchase, guys. Great purchase, beautiful shoe. When it comes to quality, when it comes to everything, very well made. But guys, that's pretty much it. Just touching on the realistic aspect of the actual Jordan 5 Grapes. That ain't nobody gonna switch the reality, guys. And reality does not care about feelings. And that's what I'm all about. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. El Goete.